Hello friends, that's a quick video on how to use Android multimedia head unit from Let's Buy Australia. And these are head units we've been installing as Ampcar business from last couple of years, and to be honest we are really happy with the quality and the way they are. Really got less complaints on them. Especially actually we buy other models as well, but these Android the Toyota ones, they are really good. Comes with an external microphone, and I'll show you quickly. So first, after installation, when you press on this near navy, so you want to select this Z-Link here. Make sure you select that Z-Link. So now what will happen if you're going to Bluetooth again here, so look on, for car BT on your mobile phone, going to car Bluetooth settings. Once you will find car BT, it should become at the bottom of list. Click on there and it will connect to this head unit, and then it will go by itself to Z-Link app. If doesn't go after connecting there, you can open straight, just click in here, it gonna open this app. So it depends on your phone. If you are using a Apple phone, iPhone, it's gonna bring up your Apple CarPlay wireless connection there. If you are using Android phone, it will bring up your Android Auto on this screen here, so which can be used for voice recognition while you're driving, so you don't have to look at screen if someone's sending you a message or calling you, even giving you a call, so you can see their name on there. Sometimes Bluetooth doesn't pick up very well. They come also with these two USB cables as well. What other thing you wanna do? So I would suggest to do these couple of settings before you start this head unit. So by going to if there is, you install reverse camera. If there is no line, you can turn on reverse line here. I'll suggest don't touch any other settings here unless you know what you are doing. Same in display. So in display, on brightness, you can increase and decrease the brightness of the screen. Also you can do further settings by clicking on screen parameter settings here. So if you want more brighter, you can adjust it here. Click on save, exit, and it also connects to your light there. So see, it goes dim and goes brighter if your light is off. Sound settings here, and navigation gain and Bluetooth volume, so the mixing of navigation into your Bluetooth, you can adjust those settings in here. Other thing you wanna go in factory setting, 888 is the pin. No, sorry, I think 0006, 6 times 0. So 6 times 0 is the pin for these head units, and you wanna look for I think probably those settings are in general what I was going to talk about. Oh yeah, you don't have to worry about on this head unit because we have already selected it. So I was going to make sure that to assign this app here, or this icon here, the Z-Link app. So we actually already assigned that at start. So there is a couple of other head units which has different settings. Sorry, I got confused about that. So these are other apps here: radio, music, video. So depending on if you have connected something to your USB, so you can, if it's audio files, go to this music here. If they are video files, go to this video here. Similar, if you don't want to use Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, so to listen your Bluetooth music, you simply just click here on this PT music. Sorry, bit of noise here, someone washing their car. And rest is general apps you are never gonna use. Always make sure you keep your Wi-Fi off on this one because it's on now. So yeah, just keep it off. So the wireless connection for CarPlay or Android Auto, it will gonna turn it on by itself. And if you have to connect this head unit to internet, you can do it, but make sure. Sorry, let me close the window. So yeah, if you want to connect this head unit to your Wi-Fi, to, for example, if you want to download the offline maps in it, so this head unit does support offline maps. And you go to Play Store, you log in with your Gmail ID, and I'll suggest iGo maps out there, which is cheapest and best map so far. I have tested iGo, so just type iGo on Play Store there, download those maps, and again turn off your Wi-Fi. You don't want to keep Wi-Fi on or want to keep this head unit online all the time, otherwise it's an Android operating system. It gonna, many apps gonna try to connect to internet at the same time, and it gets a bit slower. Or sometimes some of apps you're installing without knowing if it's coming from really good developers or not, so they can cause some issues with these head units. So just use, if you are going to use them as a stereo, you're not gonna have any problem. But if you are going to use them as a tablet, then of course they are not that powerful. Then I'll suggest look for really high-end, with really high-end specs, like at least 6 or 8 GB of RAM and really high-end processors. But price-wise, they are the best stereos out there compared to any brand. Their sound quality, because they got digital sound processing unit in them, so you can compare with any unit. See, these just stock speakers and quite clear sound there. Sorry, I can't play music much here because of YouTube policies. So, and really, you can change theme as well here. Yep, just going on that themes there. So there are a few options you can select out of these here. So really nice head unit, really good price, and you got that wireless CarPlay, wireless Android Auto. What else? Yeah, nothing newer than these things these days in market. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.